my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun one. We are finishing up the gallery wall in our living room, and I cannot wait to share with y'all like the little lights above the photo frames and everything. It turned out so cute. And then we're also going to be doing some more Christmas decorating. I'm kind of wrapping up my decorating today. We're going to be doing the bathrooms, and I really still want to do Oliver's little room, but we're in the process of trying to redo his room right now, so we probably won't put a tree up in there until like right before Christmas if we do it all. But for the most part, our Christmas decorating will be done after today, so be on the lookout soon for a Christmas home tour. But other than the gallery wall and the Christmas decorating, we've got some other Christmassy things going on in today's video too. We've been really sick and I'm starting to lose my voice, so I'm going to be talking throughout this video rather than doing a voiceover, just in case I wake up tomorrow with no voice. But let's go ahead and get today's video started. If you enjoy, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you. Okay, so this is the weekend after Oliver's birthday party. We had so much fun, but our house was trashed this morning, and I actually filmed myself doing some speed cleaning, getting all the toys and trash picked up, and I accidentally filmed it on the wrong camera settings, so you're not going to see that, but just know our house was trashed this morning, got it all picked up, and now we're going to be working on our gallery wall. We moved into this house in 2020, and I've never known what to do with this wall. I've always kind of thought something needed to go there, like a furniture piece, and so we ended up getting a white piano, and it kind of took up way too much space. Oliver loved the piano, so eventually one day when we get a bigger house, we'll have to get a piano again, but it took up too much walking space. We have our couches in this little L form, and I don't know, there's just not enough walking room. So I donated the piano to our church, and I was thinking we just need to do something really busy on the wall and then keep the floor space clear. So that's when I decided to do these little photo frames. And then eventually on our entryway wall, I did this little bench and hooks, and I like that, but I would rather free up that walking space too and do a really big mirror there and possibly some board and batten over there by the door. And then this wall over here, of course, where we hung Oliver's Too Fast banner, we're going to be doing some board and batten on that wall eventually too. But for today, we're going to be working on the gallery wall. I picked up these frames from Amazon. They came in a pack of, or it was 2 packs of 3. They're 24 by 24, and I think they're beautiful. I got the prints done at Office Depot, and they were pretty reasonable. They're on cardstock, and I just made them black and white myself. And I think they turned out really pretty. Some of them are done by a photographer, and then some of the photos came off of my phone, and they look just as professional as the other ones. So I love that Office Depot made that really easy for me. I think for 6 photos to be printed on cardstock, 20 by 20, it was like $130, so not bad at all. And I'm so excited to get these hung up. So these are the photo frames, and then these actually came on Amazon too. They came in a pack of 1, or they came with 3 in a pack of 1, so I just needed 1 pack. And I'm gonna put 1 over each row of pictures. You'll see in just a second. But I love how pretty these are. They're like a brushed gold, and you just tap right here to turn it on, and you can kind of move it around how you want it. And they actually have remotes too, so you can dim them and all that. And they're rechargeable, so you don't have to do any wiring in your wall. So let's get all this hung up.
It's December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels high, if you are there, help me find that.
Okay, this is how it turned out. I love it so much. I feel like it really elevates this space, and look how pretty those pictures are for just being printed off at Office Depot. I think they're so pretty. And also I was gonna say, if you need a quick hanging like tip, if you're trying to make something symmetrical, what you can do is just get a big long piece of blue painter's tape and put it across the back of the frames and make little dots on the areas where you want to put your hole, and then put the tape on the wall, make sure it's level, and then hammer in your nails. I did all of that off camera, and I still need to tweak some things, but I think it looks pretty good.
No, no,
tonight when lights are low. The treetops are covered up in snow, and I always miss you so. I know that it's Christmas time again. The reindeer are rushing side by side, and Santa is going for a ride. But it's you I'm longing for. I feel that it's Christmas time again. Missing all these little things that we used to do.
Okay, we're in the guest bathroom now. I'm about to deck it out for Christmas. I'm so excited. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about the gallery wall in our living room. I'm obsessed. I do have a little thing below all of those frames. It's like the plug for our Wi-Fi. And so we're gonna see if we can reroute that into the office closet, because that's like on the other side of that wall. But if we can't, I may just get like a little skinny wood bench to put under those frames. But other than that, I love the way that it turned out. But anyways, now we are headed into the guest bathroom. I like to make this festive every year because this is the bathroom that everybody uses when they come over. And I wanted to get a little circle tray right here because normally we use that rectangle one and it's kind of bulky and big for this area. So I ran to Dollar General and I found the perfect one, so I'm going to share that with you in just a second. It's like a charcoal gray and it's perfect. I was shocked because sometimes when I run to Dollar General, which is the only store we have in this town, other than Edwards Grocery, but sometimes when I run over there I can't find what I need, but it's perfect. So let's get busy decorating.
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile. I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too. Like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? As hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast. I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, cause I'm hoping for that we'll fall in love in this.
Okay, I'm gonna take y'all out in the garage real quick because I wanted to show you that we did get a new kitchen table from WAYFAIR. And I love the color of this. I love the style. I think it's so cute. But it actually came cracked in half, like the tabletop. So we're not going to be able to keep it. It's such a bummer. We're going to send it back. And they asked if they just wanted us to to replace just the tabletop. And I'm kind of thinking maybe it's not really great quality. So we're just going to send it back. the finish of it is kind of weird, so I don't know if we spilled something on it, if we'd be able to wipe it off. So anyways, super cute table. I'll link it if you're interested. Okay, I wanted to stop real quick and show y'all what I'm doing for my nephew's Christmas gift. I have 3 nephews, and they're all kind of like preteen age-ish, and I never know what to give them for Christmas. I'm not going to try to figure out what they want for Christmas or try to shop for them. I'm just going to do money, but I wanted to make it really fun so that they can all 3 open it up on Christmas, and it would be something fun that they could still open. So I went to Dollar General. I picked up 2 tissue boxes. I'm going to just do one. I'm going to start out by doing one. If I like it how it turns out, I'm going to go get one more and do 2 more for all 3 of my nephews. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take all of the tissues out of this tissue box and wrap it up like a present, and we are going to tape together $1 bills. You can do like however much you want. I will probably do $40. For right now, I'm just going to start with 20. I'm going to tape together 20 $1 bills and stuff them down in the tissue box and leave one hanging out so that when they pull it, it's just like a long strand of $1 bills, and they can count them, and they're gonna love it. They're gonna laugh and have a good time. So I'm gonna go ahead and start out by wrapping my tissue box. Okay, I'm just gonna wrap it with the whole side down. That way I can just poke a hole in the top when I'm done. A piece of poster board the size of a $1 bill, and I'm going to take my glue and do pull here and then just cover the glue in glitter. You can also do markers, or you can make a cute personalized one on your Cricut, which I will probably do when it comes time for Christmas, but let's go ahead and do this with glue for now. Okay, this is so cute, if I do say so myself. I'm glad I did a trial run because I have a better way to wrap it next time, and then also I'm going to make a label with my Cricut for this because this is kind of tacky. But they're going to have so much fun on Christmas. You just pull the tissue paper out, and then you take the pull here, and you just, bunny keeps on coming. They're going to have a blast. So, can't wait for Christmas.